When you don't have a definite purpose, you're like a ship at sea that's being tossed this way with the waves, being tossed that way with the waves because you haven't really set your destination. But once you have a purpose and you set your destination, everything else seems to fall in line. When you know who you are and you know why you are, when you have a purpose, that's like the switch coming on. And once you know your purpose and start living your purpose, that's it. You're on your path. Nobody can tell you different. You know exactly where you're starting. You know exactly where you're going, and you'll start bringing in the people, the resources to get you there. But as long as that purpose is hidden from you, you'll be a ship at sea being tossed this way and being tossed that way and lost until you find your purpose.